this special Til Gud Cake, that is the jaggery and sesame seeds cake. What we will be using is wheat flour here. You can use Maida or any flour here. Then we are using jaggery powder. You need to take organic jaggery powder. Then we have roasted sesame seeds, and we have just grind them into a mixer grinder, and we have made a powder form of it. Then we have refined oil. Take any oil that is refined, which does not contain any smell or any taste. Don't use this groundnut oil or any such oil that gives a pungent smell. Don't use that. Then I'm using water here. It's room temperature water. Then I'm using milk. It's also at the room temperature. Then baking powder, baking soda, sesame seeds for the topping, and corn flour. So we'll start by adding milk and jaggery powder, and we'll beat this together. Here you can also use sugar if you don't want to use jaggery powder. If you want to add coffee flavor into this, just add coffee powder here only at this particular stage, so that you get a nice coffee flavored cake in this. Also you can add cocoa powder at that time. I'm adding mixed fruit essence here. Otherwise you can use any vanilla extract or anything that you have at home. Now all the things, milk, water, oil, everything, jaggery powder is all incorporated well. Now we'll be adding in the dry ingredients. So this is the wheat flour. You can also add complete all-purpose flour, that is the Maida or anything you can add. But I am making it, a healthier version of this. So I am using wheat flour here. This sesame seeds will keep aside. Baking powder and baking soda. Then I'm adding in corn flour, and we'll mix it well. Now I am using this Nordic ware bundt pan. I'll add some oil to this. It's not needed because generally things don't stick to this, but I want my sesame seeds to stick here. That's why I am adding very little bit of oil. Don't use ghee or butter, because ultimately they'll, if you are using it in winters or any season you use it, what happens is when it cools down, it will harden all the sides of your cakes. So use oil. It will keep your cake moist. Okay. So this is done. What I'll do is I'll sprinkle these sesame seeds here, because when you will demold, this will look very beautiful. And now I'll pour the batter into this. This is just for the look what I have done, because til powder I have already added into the cake batter. This will now go into the oven. I'm putting it on preheated OTG at 160 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. So we'll shift it here. So here is your cake. See how beautiful the color is because of the jaggery. The jaggery that we have used is a very good quality jaggery. That's why you got this amazing caramelized color on the top, and the sesame seeds are also visible on the top, right? So this is the exact kind of texture that you need. Okay.